Below, you will see a document for Google Voice that is only for our special ed team, as well as people who have previously existing accounts. There's a fee for that. We're not doing Google Voice unless we're those people listed. Google Hangout is a free service that you can use to contact families by voice only. I'm going to show you how you do this. Click the plus sign over here on the left side, and you're going to type in the family's phone number. I'm using a fellow staff member for this example here. Phone number is in. I'm going to hit call, and you're going to see what happens.
Hello?
Hi there, Kim. Would you please tell our staff what my phone call to you showed up as?
It shows up as no caller ID.
Perfect. Thank you so much. Have a great day.
You're welcome. Bye.
Bye. Okay, so you could see I clicked here. I put in her phone number. I said call. She picked up the phone call like anyone would pick up a normal phone call, and it came up as unknown, right? Or so just letting you know, you might want to give families a heads up that you will be calling them if you're calling from your email account. Okay, remember, we are not doing video chats or video calls with families, but you certainly can do that with fellow staff if you want. All right, so please remember, there are no dumb questions. I am here and I am happy and willing to help. And if I don't know the answers, I hope I've proven to you I will find the answers for you. Take care.